Have you been waiting for the One UI 7 update on your Samsung phone? The wait could be nearly over. For the past few months, Samsung fans have been on edge, watching as Galaxy S24 series owners enjoy the beta version of the upcoming update. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the new version. Well, the end of the wait might be closer than we think. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the exact release date, there are several strong indicators that the update could roll out very soon. A key clue is the upcoming launch of the Galaxy S25 series. These new flagship devices will ship with One UI 7 already installed, and they're set to hit shelves on February 7. It's likely that Samsung has been holding off on the global One UI 7 release to keep the focus on the Galaxy S25 series launch. Once those new devices are out in the wild, Samsung will likely begin releasing the update for older models. Another reason to believe the release is near is the stability of the latest One UI 7 beta for the Galaxy S24 lineup. With the final beta versions performing well and offering a smooth experience, it's clear that Samsung has made significant progress. This suggests that most of the testing and fine-tuning is complete. Additionally, reports have emerged suggesting that the update could be available to the public as early as the first half of February. If these rumors are accurate, we could see the official rollout in just a matter of days. One UI 7 is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most important updates in years. The update promises significant improvements in speed, security, and overall usability, making your device feel faster and more responsive. Although Samsung hasn't yet released a complete list of all the changes, the beta versions have already given us a glimpse of what's to come. Expect a smoother interface, enhanced customization options, and several performance optimizations aimed at improving the overall user experience. However, it's important to note that not all features in One UI 7 will be available for every device. The Galaxy S25 series will enjoy some exclusive features that won't be available on older models. Two standout additions are the Now Brief and Audio Eraser features. Now Brief introduces a more intelligent notification system, helping users manage alerts more effectively. Meanwhile, Audio Eraser is a powerful tool that lets users eliminate background noise from their recordings. Unfortunately, these features will only be available on the Galaxy S25 series, so if you have an older Galaxy model, you won't be able to use them. If you own a Samsung smartphone and have been eagerly waiting for One UI 7, now's the time to stay alert. The update could start rolling out at any moment, and when it does, you'll likely receive a notification prompting you to download and install it. As with most major software updates, Samsung will likely release One UI 7 in phases. This means that while some users will get the update right away, others might have to wait a little longer, depending on their device model and location. To check if your device is eligible for the update, simply go to your phone's settings, tap on Software Update, and then select Download and Install. If the update is available for your device, you'll see the option to download it. If not, don't worry. Samsung typically rolls out updates gradually, so just keep checking in the coming days. One UI 7 is set to deliver a more polished and refined experience to Samsung users with improvements in performance, security, and new software features. This update is sure to make a noticeable difference in how you use your phone every day. While the wait may have felt longer than expected, it's clear that Samsung has been working hard to ensure this update delivers a stable and feature-rich experience. If you found this update useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the latest news on Samsung and other tech topics. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video. Is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 finally going to fix one of the most persistent issues with foldable smartphones? Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series has undoubtedly been a pioneer in the foldable phone market, with each new release bringing exciting innovations. But no matter how much the device improves, there's been one flaw that just won't go away: the crease. It's something that's remained present in every iteration of the Galaxy Z Fold, including the latest Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, as we look ahead to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, many are wondering if Samsung will finally manage to minimize or even eliminate that crease. If you've used a foldable phone, you've probably noticed the crease right down the center of the screen. It's a result of the unique display material, the hinge design, and the repeated folding action that these phones undergo. While competitors, especially some Chinese brands, have made progress in reducing the crease, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series has always had a noticeable one. Even with the improvements in each generation, the crease still lingers in the Galaxy Z Fold 6, making it a point of frustration for many users. But there's hope that things might change with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. Leaks suggest that Samsung might finally reduce the crease to the point where it becomes far less noticeable. While it may not be completely gone, the new design could make it much more subtle, potentially making the overall folding experience smoother. This could be thanks to advancements in materials and new design elements, with rumors pointing to the use of technology seen in the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a limited release that was only available in South Korea and China. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition was praised for its improved crease reduction, with users reporting that the crease was almost invisible compared to previous models. The Special Edition was said to use a new material called ultra-flexible glass, which is more durable than the ultra-thin glass used in the previous Galaxy Z Fold models. If the Galaxy Z Fold 7 adopts this ultra-flexible glass, it can bring a significant improvement to the foldable screen design. In addition to the improved crease, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to come with several other exciting upgrades. For starters, it may feature a larger and more efficient cooling system to prevent overheating during extended use. The hinge mechanism could also be enhanced for smoother operation, and there's even talk of bigger displays, both for the inner screen and the outer screen. These changes could take the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to the next level, making it an even more powerful and refined foldable phone. Another major rumor surrounding the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the camera. It's said that the new model could come with a 200-megapixel main camera, a significant leap over the previous models. This would put the Galaxy Z Fold 7 on par with some of the best camera phones available today, offering exceptional photo quality. For those who want the latest in smartphone photography, this could make the Fold 7 a top choice. That said, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 may not be perfect. One of the most controversial changes could be a potential removal of S Pen support. Samsung has been gradually scaling back its stylus support, and if the Galaxy Z Fold 7 follows this trend by removing S Pen compatibility, it could turn off a significant portion of users. For people who rely on the S Pen for productivity, note-taking, or creative work, this could be a deal breaker. The lack of S Pen support could also affect the device's sales, as many fans of the Galaxy Z Fold have come to appreciate the versatility that the stylus offers. All things considered, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 seems like it could be a major improvement over the previous models, with a more refined design, a better screen, and plenty of powerful features. If Samsung can finally address the crease issue and offer an even better foldable experience, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be a game changer in the world of foldable phones. Of course, we'll have to wait until Samsung officially reveals the device to see just how it performs. Be sure to stay tuned for updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more details. Thanks for watching. Why did Samsung decide against using its most advanced 200-megapixel ISOCELL HB9 sensor in the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Many would expect the company to equip its top-tier smartphone with the best camera hardware it has ever developed. After all, this high-end sensor is not only a Samsung innovation, but is also being used by other smartphone brands. Yet, when it came to its own flagship device, Samsung made a different choice. This decision has raised questions among tech enthusiasts, but there are solid reasons behind it. One of the biggest factors influencing this move is Samsung's market position. While some competing brands have adopted the ISOCELL HB9 sensor in their premium models, these devices have not seen massive success in terms of sales. They serve more as showcases for cutting-edge technology rather than mainstream bestsellers. On the other hand, Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra series consistently dominates the high-end smartphone market, making it unnecessary for the company to follow trends just for the sake of it. Unlike smaller brands that need to differentiate themselves with hardware upgrades, Samsung already has a strong presence, allowing it to focus on a balanced approach that prioritizes user experience over raw specifications. Another major reason is design practicality. The ISOCELL HB9 sensor is significantly thicker than the one used in the Galaxy S25.